Can you guess which video is real and which one is AI? Well, all of three videos are AI generated. This kind of high-end product ads are just now a piece of cake because Seedance 2.0 just flipped the AI video industry and become #1 AI video model on the planet. So in today's video, I will show you how to create stunning commercial ads or AI UGC content using your own product, outfit and desired character. Even I will show you how to extend your videos to go beyond 15-second limits of Seedance 2.0. So without wasting any more time, let's start it. First, continue with Google and log into arcades.ai. And this is where everything comes together. Go ahead and create a new project. Once you're inside, you'll see the workspace. You've got 4 main modes at the top: talking actors, video, image and see more. Let's start with image. Make sure the aspect ratio is set to 9:16 for vertical format and Nano Banana Pro model. Now upload your product image and type your prompt into the text box. Here's the prompt. Professional product photograph of the skincare cream jar on a pure white background. Even studio lighting from both sides. No harsh shadows. The label is facing directly forward, fully readable. Clean, sharp, e-commerce product photography style. Now switch over to the video tab. Open up video settings. This is where you select Seedance 2 as your model. Set the aspect ratio to 9:16 and you'll be able to set maximum duration of 15 seconds. But I have set the length to 10 seconds here. Resolution to 720. Audio is enabled by default. Leave it as it is. Now type in your video prompt. A high-end 10-second commercial showcasing a pink skincare cream jar with a glossy metallic lid. Shot 1, 0 to 3 seconds. Floating reveal. Shot 2, 3 to 7 seconds. Open plus texture focus. Shot 3, 7 to 10 seconds. Surface placement plus final hero shot. Upload base product image and hit generate. You take a look at that result, all from just one product image. Now, let's level up. Switch your mode back to video. Next, upload 2 images. The first is your product and the second is the outfit reference for your AI influencer. Once those are in, it's time to craft the personality. Here is exactly what you need to paste into the prompt field. A beautiful young woman with soft, wavy brown hair, glowing skin, and natural makeup wearing the reference outfit. Add the dialogue and include expressions in brackets. Add the exact dialogue that the model should speak. Make sure you have added the product and outfit image reference. Now open the video settings and ensure that Seedance 2 is selected. Set the aspect ratio to 9:16, the duration to 15 seconds, and the resolution to 720. Audio is enabled by default, so leave it as it is. You can also adjust the number of outputs here to save time. I have selected one output here. Now hit the generate button for the result.
Why is this actually so good? I'm not even kidding. I feel rich just holding it. Literally, my skin is about to glow more than ever.
Not only this, you can choose any product and follow the same pattern to generate accurate lip sync, physics and visuals with Seedance 2.0. Now, what if you want to create your ad for more than 15 seconds? What if you could go beyond that limit entirely? Well, with this workflow, there's no limit at all. You can keep extending your video indefinitely and it will flow like one seamless, continuous shot. Now here's the trick. From this 15-second video, we're going to take the last 3 seconds right here at the tail end and use that as the starting point for the next generation. Head back into Arcades, same workspace, same video tab. Add your product image as the reference image just like before. Now open video settings because we need to lock in our model and duration before we go any further. So you've already generated your first UGC video. Let's call it video 1. And the AI influencer is holding the skincare jar. Now write your prompt. Start by typing, continue the video with the same girl from the reference video. You are instructing the AI to pick up exactly where the previous video left off. Now here's the important part. To reference the video inside the prompt, type a / and from the drop down that appears, select your reference video. Both references are now loaded. Video 1 is your extracted clip and image 1 is your product. Adjust the video settings and hit the generate button.
Skin is about to glow more than ever.
This is how the extended video looks like. Once you've got all your clips, bring them into CapCut for final editing. Import your Arcades videos. Drag them into the timeline and start assembling the full ad. And this is the final result.
Why is this actually so good? I'm not even kidding. I feel rich just holding it. Literally, my skin is about to glow more than ever. Wow, it feels so smooth.
So if you want to create this kind of commercial ads for your business and projects, make sure to check out the description link. I have put it on the description. Thanks for watching.